Hello, it is Friday, January 10th. I'm heading home, and it is storming and a crazy day in Oklahoma weather. So this morning it was foggy, rainy, hot, in the 60s. And then it's rained on and off all day. Storms, we've had tornado watches, tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings coming through. Just had a tornado warning out to the west of here, Bartlesville, moving up through Pawhuska and whatnot. And then all of a sudden the wind changes out of the south and heads out of the north now. So definitely considerable temperature drop as I ran to my car. It was just before I started heading my car, the wind was blowing at least 40, maybe 50 mile per hour, pouring down, hurricane rain, sideways rain. As I was watching out the window, and so I was watching the radar pretty close, saw there'd be a break, and it's still kind of a break right now. It's not really raining that much, but made it to my car okay. So now I'm heading home. It's supposed to be big storms rolling through, like I said, severe storms, so should be okay. But the wind's coming out of the north now, so everything tonight after midnight is going to turn over to freezing rain, and then we're supposed to get snow. And so I don't know, they say anywhere from a half inch to 3 inches accumulation, so we'll see. It's been so warm too that as soon as the snow hits the ground, it's gonna melt. So the biggest problem we're gonna have is freezing ice on the roads. So luckily we don't have to go anywhere, because Ellis's soccer practice tonight will get canceled. His game that was scheduled for tomorrow is canceled. So we don't have anything. So, which is awesome because I'm ready to rest. So let's talk some triathlon training, Ironman training. So last night was a rest for me. Did my workout yesterday. So got home, fueled my body with some good food, nutritional food, and hydrated. And then this morning, since Ellis had to go to soccer practice early this morning, I had to move my time, so I got up at 4:20 a.m. Did my 1 hour zone 2 run, and it's hard enough to get yourself going on a run to begin with, but you put it at 4 a.m., your body's just like asking you, what the heck are you doing, man? And it took quite a while for me to wake up, I guess, and get going. But I mean, I jumped right in it, was zone 2, ready to go. So one thing that has been helping is I'm not using the fan, and I start sweating pretty quickly. So that kind of, I don't know if that triggers the body or whatever, but then it wakes me up, and I was able to hold it. I was hungry. That's another thing. I haven't been eating as much at nighttime, trying to watch the overloading of food and calories, because I get in a mindset, I get in a habit of thinking, I'm doing all this workout, I can eat whatever I want, which is kind of true, but sometimes I'll just be like, I can have 8 of those or 10 of those, I'll burn it off tomorrow. Well, if you do that so many days in a row, it's going to catch up with you. So anyway, been watching that. So the run this morning was good, but I was pretty hungry when I got done. Finished, took Ellis to practice, came back, and then I ate some bacon like I did the other day, because it's too long from getting up at basically 4 a.m. I usually get my breakfast and I'm eating it at 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning. And so all that on a fast, workout, not eating, I start getting pretty hungry. So I ate the bacon. As soon as I got to work, went and got my breakfast, which was awesome. Had a big old omelet, mushrooms and spinach, sausage, turkey sausage, bacon. And then I put all my nutritional powders on top of it, hemp seed, chia seed, and what else did I put on it? Some other stuff. And then I treated myself to a biscuit, one biscuit and gravy. So that was my super treat. So I was excited about that. A lot of times that gets me through my workout, thinking about what I'm going to eat, what food I'm going to have, and how I can treat myself and reward myself, and that helps push me through. So I was thinking that this morning. So I did that workout, had my breakfast, fueled. I still felt a little dehydrated, so I made sure to drink a lot more fluids throughout this afternoon. I haven't eaten anything else. I haven't eaten lunch yet, so I had a pretty big omelet. It was a 3-egg omelet with everything, so I still feel okay. I could eat, but I'll eat. So as soon as I get home, have some nuts and stuff, cheese. So anyway, that's my day. Now tomorrow is my long bike ride. It's a 3-hour bike ride at Zone 2. So it's all about maintaining just that endurance. And the good thing about it is I can fuel on the ride. So I'll have my, oh wow, here comes the rain. I'll definitely have my fueling drink wise. So I'll have my 2 bottles with my S Fuels in it, and then I'll have my Torpedo water bottle. I'm going to go ahead and attach that to the bike so that I can have that in the aero position. And then I'm going to have at least 2 bars, S Fuel bars to munch on during my ride. So that's the plan. I'm going to go ahead and hop off here because another storm's rolling through and I need to concentrate on driving. So I will see you guys in the morning on the bike. Have a good one. Bye.